We pride ourselves in having screen technology which is complete with everything built in. So these screens here, these have wireless screen share built in. They have a 4K camera for Teams meetings and for Zoom meetings built in. We have a document scanner, as you can see on the screen. It's scanning the document below, so you can document scan. Full whiteboard facility. They are optically bonded, so they're very matte finish, so there's no light reflection. We do your physical classroom, which are the screens, but then we have the system also to be able to live stream, to be able to record, and to be able to live stream to the likes of YouTube and Facebook, so you can actually then do external learning. Our wireless system, if this is online, students can actually dial in and also interact with the screen as well. So this then scans a document. So it does a scan, so you can scan your document there, and then you can save it to your clipboard, and you can annotate on it, or you can save it to the server, save it to the memory, however you want to do it. It's an optically bonded screen, which means there's no gap between the actual screen and where you're writing. So when we write on it, the writing doesn't follow you, the writing is where you're touching, okay? And it's 40 point as well.